In 1947, MITER brands took flight from within the walls of a humble airplane hangar in Clearwater, Florida. What began as a small manufacturer of window screens has grown into a portfolio of leading window and door brands produced in nearly 20 manufacturing facilities across the United States. The power of MITER brands goes beyond the products we make. It comes from investing in the right people. People who dream big, set goals, and get to work. From our talented team members to our trusted suppliers, customers, and communities, every relationship is built on our passion for quality and our relentless pursuit of 100%. Every day, everywhere. From two innovators in an airplane hangar to a nationwide manufacturer of market-preferred window and door brands, we are more than a manufacturer. We are, and always have been, builders of a vision to build the most valued window and door brand in America.